doesn't love balloons? Today I'm turning the entire alphabet A to Z into colorful bouncy bubble balloon letters that look like they could float right off the page. Stay with me till the end because I've got you some fun tricks to make your balloon letters pop, literally. So step 1 is materials. All you need is a simple notebook or a sketch pad, a black pen or fine liner, and some bright colors. Don't stress about fancy supplies. Honestly, even school markers will work like magic for this. So step 2 is drawing the outlines. Let's start with the basic outline. The secret to balloon lettering is thinking puffy. Each letter should look inflated like it's full of air. So instead of sharp angles, curve everything. Even straight letters like A and H should look round and soft. Imagine you are drawing bubblegum. Pro tip, keep your lines loose and flowy, not stiff. This is the fun part. Every balloon needs a knot. At the bottom of each letter, add a tiny triangle or oval shape. That little detail instantly transforms your letters into floating balloons. Step 4 is the strings. Draw a curvy line from the knot to make it look like a real balloon string. Don't make it too straight. Wobbly curly strings look playful and natural. Step 5 is coloring the balloons. Here's where the magic happens. Fill in each letter with bright bold colors. Use different shades like red, blue, green, yellow like a rainbow party on your page. If you want your letters to stand out even more, outline one side with a neon highlighter. It gives them a glowing effect. I actually had a balloon float away once I was a kid and I cried for hours. Now I draw balloon letters so my balloons never leave me again. Now step 6 is adding shine and highlights. Balloons always shine, right? To create that effect, leave a small white oval or curve inside your letters. That little highlight makes them look shiny and 3D, as if light is bouncing off them. If you forgot to leave space, just use a white gel pen to add shine later. Once I actually made a whole birthday card using balloon letters and the person thought I bought it from a store. That's how good this style looks, handmade but professional. Imagine making personalized card, posters, or even decorating journals with these alphabets. And that's the full A to Z of bubble balloon lettering. Which letter was your favorite? Tell me in the comments. I would love to know. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your creative friends, and subscribe for more fun lettering and calligraphy tutorials. Let's keep filling our world with color and creativity, one balloon letter at a time.